Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you and show you how you can easily map a route on the Google Maps app. So, firstly we have to make a route for us. So we can search our pearls of interest here, or just hold the finger on the map somewhere and make and make a pin. Here we have the top directions, and as you can see, here we have start, add stops, share and save. We can save this route and tap see trips, and here we have our trip. For example, this is one to home. Here we have this that I created earlier, and apart you can share it using this button and allow. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.